Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to create a time series chart in SAC. Time series charts are typically used to analyze data trends over specific time periods. For instance, if we want to understand sales trends, time series charts are a great tool for that. Compared with standard line charts, time series charts require the x-axis to represent time. The y-axis represents the metrics you want to analyze. Line charts, however, allow more flexibility on x-axis. Now, select the time series chart option. Choose Revenue as our measure. For the time dimension, choose your desired time frame. Next, let's zoom in. As you can see, the chart now uses time as the x-axis. There are a few key differences from line charts. First, you can flexibly select time ranges, view data for 1, 3, or 6 months, or simply drag the slider to check the revenue across different periods. Lastly, let's adjust the chart format. Let's start by adjusting the background. Change it to gray. Alright, next, let's round the border's corners. Great, now, let's format the numbers. Display values in thousands. And keep 2 decimal places. Perfect, now we've got a complete time series chart. Compared to line charts, time series charts offer advanced features, the built-in machine learning algorithms, for data forecasting. Let me show you how. Go to More Options, and select Add Forecast. You can choose Automatic Prediction, Exponential Smoothing, or Linear Regression, depending on your scenario. As you can see, there is a dashed line appears in the triangle area. This line blends historical data with machine learning algorithms to forecast future sales trends. With larger datasets, this feature becomes particularly useful. It leverages built-in ML methods to predict future data trends. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.